everyone, I'm gonna share with you how to make another Christmas gift, or it can be any day to use around your house using the little fabric that you have. I have little fabric here and there, so together I cut in here 6 pieces of the 5 inches square, so 5 by 5, and I have 6. You make this with 2 different colors, it work out the best. And here I have 6 of the different colors, 5 by 5. Now we're going to place the right side to the right side, and you're going to sew a quarter up, and end seam allowance you're gonna sew all around, but you're going to leave one area open so you can inside out. And let me mark. So I'm gonna leave about 1.5 inches. That's good enough. So you're gonna do all 6 pairs, right side to the right side, clip, pin, whatever, as long as you have it together to sew. Leave it here about 1.5 inches open to do that. Very easy. And the side, it can go up and it can go down, and it's very easy. There's no need to change anything, just do bigger, smaller, it's all up to you. This is very simple. This is origami. I just want to say thank you for all the people that support my channel. Every time I upload the video, I stand by and I read the comment. So just so you know that I do read your comment every video. It's just because sometimes I don't have time to reply on your comment unless you have a very important question. Alright, so like this. So when I sew the project like this, especially when I use the white, I use white thread for this. I don't use red because red will show on the white, and it's not too pretty. It's okay to show on the polka dots because it have white in here. So go and sew all 6 pair. Everyone, after I sew all 6, and you're gonna go into the corners, and then you're going to trim. You can trim a little bit on the side if you like to, but you don't have to. And then you're going to pull on this side just like that, press, turn to the other side. You're gonna do exactly the same, but make sure that it meets the side and everything. Now you're going to inside out this. You're gonna do the other 5. So my sister's birthday today, and I went over to my dad's house because she lived with my dad, and they have the flower, the rose right in front of me. Now I have an allergy really bad. I forgot about it. Actually, I remembered it, but I don't want to be rude. Okay, so now I'm going crazy. Snip, snip, snip. People think I'm using, you know what I mean. Okay, so go and get the pin like this, everyone, or any kind of pointy thing, pin or whatever, to get that corners out. Okay, after you get all the corners out, you're going to iron this, and then you go into top stitch all 4 sides. So iron this and then top stitch all 4 sides. Do this to the 5. Everyone, after I finish topped all 6 pieces, so I'm gonna show you how to fold in this. You're going to fold it in half. I'm going to iron this. This requires an iron. You can do the same thing with the double side color paper for kids to do. After you fold in one, this is the fold, you're gonna fold again. When the second time you fold, that's the guide for you to fold the side. Alright, so the side is right here, the second fold is right here. So you then hold the finger right here. This fold on the side here, go down to halfway here. As long as you pull until this point here meet this second line right there, and then the top, it have to be meet together like that. And now you iron it. The fold is very important, and other than that, everything okay. So now you're going to fold in this, hold this fold, hold this, the other side in the center right here, push it in, and hold in this too. Do this, let your kid do this on the paper. And then you're going to take one side, bring it down to the fold here. And when you bring it down, you're going to make sure everything is even. Just like that, and then you iron. Now you have something like this. Everyone, after I have 6 pieces here the same way, okay, let's just put it together so we can sew. So the first one, second one, like this, go right in, and when you do that, you're gonna make sure you clip it down. This is very cute. You can make it bigger size. Super beautiful. It can go with all different colors. And then I have a thread here before we sew it together. So let's just do here. I'm going to hold this together. And then hold this one, this pointy that we just add. That's just to make it easier for later on when we sew it together. Okay, and now I leave the thread and the needle still. Go to the next one, continue doing the same thing. Put right next to it, just like that. You're going to clip it down. Whatever I hold a clip, I just clip it down. I don't really pay attention with upside down as long as it's hold it. So some people told me I'm clipping the clip the wrong way. I'm like, oh my goodness. Alright, so like that. Now I have 3. So I don't need to like hold on to it. I just sew on the pointy together, and then the next one, and continue to do so until you have all these pieces sewed in together. But remember, the clip and the thread, the needle, it helps a lot, so make sure that you clip this down, and then on this side you're going to get this, just go on the red piece right here, just a little tiny bit, just to hold it together. Don't need to do a lot. Like that. And I'm gonna turn around, and I'm going to add the fifth one, same way. Go to the side and clip it. And then the needle here. The needle really helpful, everyone. If not, it's so hard to have them stay together. Okay. This is really good to start doing Christmas gift or doing something to sell. The Christmas is around the corners. And now this is the last one. The last one, I'm gonna open this, doing the same thing, but look in the back. Okay, I'm gonna share with you. Going this way, bringing this up, going in same way, clip this down. You're gonna open this and stuck this inside. Just take your time and squeeze it in. Eventually it's gonna come in. You're gonna hold on to that and clip it down, and then we're going to go inside. So now everything looks so nice and neat and everything. I'm gonna go and bring this needle to the back, just to poke right at, go in the back. This needle help you a lot. You see in the back, so nice and neat. Let me just zoom it in so you can see. Look at that. Look how beautiful that snuck in. Alright, so now I'm gonna go and do the little knock here so I can get out. You don't need to do much, just that. Just to hold all that pointy in the middle together. So now we're going to sew. Take out the clip. You can see the 6-point star. You can see the hexagon corners. So you're going to sew on this corner right here, from corner to here, and then from here to here, here to here, here to here, and here, and here. So that way that we have the hexagon shape is already shaped down here. I did this in the past, and I sewed it here to the red one, and then I go up to the red, and then I sew on the red side, I sew on the red side. So it's all up to you, but I will show you how to sew this. that's it. I finished everyone. This is option for you if you want to sew it here, then it go around, and then sew it here, go around, and so on the rest if you want to, but it's optional. You don't really have to. And this is pointy to pointy. It is 8 3/4 of an inch. Beautiful. You can use it for the place. You can I'm in the basement. It's my zone area now, so I don't really have anything to put in here, but this is for you if you want to make this smaller, and then you're going to add the ribbon in between here and hang it up as the ornament. Look in the back how beautiful it is. Everything is snug in nicely. So pretty. Stay safe everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all of you that always support my channel by like the video, comment, and donation. Love you. Stay safe. Take care everyone.